Hey folks, welcome to On Blast with MG. Today we're going to do a quick update video on my new purchase, the G-Shock Move from Casio. So I've had this watch now for, I'd say about 2.5 months or so. And I'll tell you that it's a great watch. Number one, if you're looking for a watch to track your athletic performance, especially running, but it works well for other things as well, such as hiking, it tracks distance via GPS. This is a great watch. I haven't had to charge this watch yet. You could see the battery is basically full. It charges via solar power. So as I'm out and about during the day, at work, it charges via incandescent light as well. I have not had to charge this watch, and I run about 3 times a week with it. About 3 miles each time, so about 9 miles a week with the GPS on fully. I keep the heart monitor off, of course, and just those standard functions that come with the watch are running throughout the day, but the heart is not running except for when it's when I'm running. So I haven't had to charge it. There is this charging spot right here on the back of it. You could charge it via your provided USB connection. I have not had to charge this in 2.5 months that I've owned it, and the battery fluctuates from full to maybe 1 bar down usually. So there you go. This watch is, in my opinion, is a great purchase. It does everything I needed to do for my activity tracking. It also has some pretty good features, such as there's definitely the heart rate right there. It's got a timer, which is useful for my job at least. Stopwatch, of course. Barometer, that's a good function. Along with the barometer, you got a compass, which is useful. Altimeter, also very useful. So great buy. I would definitely recommend it. Tracks your activities, steps, and gives you VO2 max, all sorts of different data points, as well as it does show your notifications right on the screen. So if I get a text, it'll pop up on the screen. Email, etc. You can't respond to them, but you can view them. So I think it's a great watch, and the best part about it, you don't have to charge it. I haven't had to charge it yet, so that's awesome. Good job, Casio. Enjoy. Please subscribe.